Welcome to RM Studios Action News. I'm your anchor, Lars, Pants on Fires. Our top story today, scientists turn back time. End up with the word emit. Also in the news, 2 disciples of Jesus were arrested yesterday after performing a miracle in front of a temple gate called Beautiful. Reports say that Peter and John were going up to the temple, and a man who had been unable to walk since birth began begging for coins. So we now go to our on-site reporter, Brock and a hard place, who is standing by with a formerly lame beggar.
Hello and good evening. We are reporting to you live from the beautiful gates and the little kiddie pool that we've got. Yes, I'm aware it's beautiful. I've already said that. Yes, it's... Oh, right. Okay, anyway, moving on. I'm here with some guy, and he seems to know what's going on around here. So, sir, I just have to ask you, what in the wide, wide world of sports is going on here?
So there I was, man. They daggum, I didn't understand. Now, let me tell you something. Let me tell you this, all right? Let me tell you this. I haven't been able to walk since, what was the question?
What is going on here?
Right. So there I was. And I ain't been able to walk since I was born. And every day, come in here, and I'm laying on the ground, I'm trying to get in the pool. You know what happens in the pool? Let me tell you what happens in the pool.
Splashing.
What happens in the pool is the people first one to get up, and a spirit come down there, blinking around it, it's a ton of spirits, and the water's bubbling up like crazy. And then the first people in, them's the one that gets healed. Now, for years, I've been sitting on here trying to get in that pool, but it done it ain't gonna work. I'm too slow. So I had to beg people for the money so I can eat. Then I hadn't had me some McDonald's for years. And then these 2 fellers came walking right in. And I said, them's the people right there. Them's the people that's going to help me out. So I walked on up there, and that's what I said to them. That's what I said. I said, can I get some money, please? And they said, you know what they said? You know what they said to me? They said, we don't have none, but what we do have, we give to you.
Coupons?
And so, I don't think I have any coupons. Nope, I ain't got no coupons, man, but I appreciate you asking. I always appreciate you asking. You're a good fella. So, them fellers done said, get up and walk. That's what they said. They said, get up and walk. So I got up, and I started walking around. And, hey, Jim. That's Jim over there. You talk to Jim? You better talk to Jim here before you go. So I was walking around like I ain't never been no lame before. Like I was always walking since birth. But that's not the case. They done did seen a miracle. And they said his name, guys. His name was, his name was Jesus of Nazareth. That's what his name was. Jesus of Nazareth. They said in his name, get up and walk. And that's exactly what I done. All right, Jim, I'll catch you later. All right, I got to roll.
Alrighty then. I'm Brock in a hard place. Back to you guys in the studio, Lars.
Thank you, Brock. And now, the rest of the story. The fact that Peter was preaching about Jesus greatly annoyed the priests, the captain of the temple, and the Sadducees. They had Peter and John arrested and kept in custody overnight. Nevertheless, about 5,000 people were convicted by the power Peter displayed by healing the lame man and by the case he presented as proving Jesus as the Christ. The next day, the Jewish leaders asked Peter and John, "By what power or by what name do you do this?" Peter told them the miracle they performed was by the name of Jesus of Nazareth, the same man the Jewish leaders had just crucified. Peter told them salvation could be found nowhere else but in the name of Jesus. Having no way to deny the genuineness of the miracle, the Jewish leaders threatened the apostles and told them to stop preaching about Jesus. But Peter and John answered them, "We can only speak of what we have seen and heard." Well, that's all I have tonight for RM Studios Action News. I'm your anchor, Lars, Pants on Fires. Have a great evening, everyone.